possible that the money caught on fire but didn't burn. In order for a fire to exist, there needs to be three elements: a source of heat, such as a light matchstick, a fuel, such as wood or paper, and oxygen, like in the air. Remove one of these requirements and the fire immediately stops. When the money was caught on fire, it was not the money itself burning, rather it was the alcohol it was soaked in prior to being lit. So in this case, the fuel of the flame was the alcohol. You may be wondering, why didn't the money caught on fire? After all, the heat from the alcohol burning was well over the ignition point of paper. Recall that rubbing alcohol is not pure alcohol. It has a certain percentage of water inside. Additionally, water has some very interesting properties. Recall that water has a very high specific heat capacity and a high heat of vaporization. In other words, water requires a lot of energy before its temperature starts to rise and before it phase change. Consequently, even though the flame produced by the alcohol was hot, the water soaked into the paper absorbed a lot of that energy produced by the flame. Therefore, the paper didn't get sufficiently hot to reach its ignition point. Fun fact number 1. If the flame was to burn indefinitely, the money would have caught on fire and burned eventually. Fun fact number 2. Alcohol burns as a colorless flame. However, adding salt to the mixture of alcohol caused the flame to burn with a yellow color. This color is the color of burning sodium. This demonstration, this balloon is just air inside, but this balloon has some water inside. You can see that because this balloon has only air inside, it pops instantly. However, the other balloon with water doesn't pop. This is because the water inside of the balloon absorbs a lot of the energy produced by the flame. Therefore, the rubber doesn't get hot enough to melt, thus the balloon doesn't pop. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something new, feel free to comment down below a phenomenon that you would like me to explain. Once again, thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, and share.